Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. This is your African boy, myself Gabs Gabi from Africa, from South Sudan, guys. So yeah, I can speak Arabic because I am from South Sudan, and before being a South Sudanese, we were all as Sudan, but after some time, my country got separated from Sudan. So both South Sudan and Sudan speak Arabic. Assalamu alaikum once again. And now I'm becoming big fan of Bangladesh because I really love how my Bangladesh viewers are really cooperating with me. They are really showing a lot of love, and I promise to do my best to react continuously to all or to whatever of the suggested videos from Bangladesh. I'm really so happy. So far I reacted to almost, I can say, more than 7 videos, 7 Bangladesh videos, and I learned a lot, like about the country, the people, the culture, and the economic, the military. You can check out some of few of what I learned, guys. And yeah, today we are going to react to one of the suggested video, that is Chittagong city, guys, Bangladesh 4K by drone. So I already reacted to Dhaka, which is the capital city and one of the amazing biggest city of Bangladesh. I really love it, guys. So today I'm going to check Chittagong. Yes, let's check it together. Don't forget, if it is your first time here, show some love, join the African family. My brother Mohib is not here today. We used to do 2 people reaction, 2 members. He just traveled somewhere, so he will come soon and we'll continue reacting. I already prepared amazing topic, reaction to Bangladesh, but I want him to be there so that it will be more interesting. And don't forget, support my vlog channel, guys. We have our vlog channel, so support it and stay tuned there. Maybe one day I will visit Bangladesh, so I will only post the vlog in that channel. This channel is only for reaction. Join now if you didn't subscribe also, and let's go. Chittagong city, Bangladesh 4K. See the skyscrapers. Just see the skyscrapers.
Chittagong is the second largest city in Bangladesh.
This place, it looked like kind of a business or high-tech place. It looked like high-tech city. Wow. It's really amazing, guys. It's really amazing. And this is not the capital city. This is just like other city, guys. The capital city is Dhaka. Just imagine Chittagong is like this one. This amazing. Wow, Chittagong, Bangladesh. Oh, I love see the bridge and the way they set it. Wow, it's really super amazing. I'm really impressed. This is really cute. This is really amazing, guys. I was thinking Bangladesh was just something small. Wow. They really deserve to be their own country, man. They deserve that. This is really amazing. Wow, this is even more beautiful than my own capital city. I'm so jealous, man. Wow. Amazing, guys. Amazing, really amazing, guys. I just love it. Like, it's short, but it's brief to understand how smart is this city. Like, so clean. And another thing I love about it, like, so less traffic, and the roads are so wide. Like, they have a lot of highway road, and the skyscrapers is just like mind blowing, guys. Like, I'm like, why can it, like, if this can be like, this is not the capital city, just imagine how Dhaka will be, guys. I already saw Dhaka. I think the video I saw in Dhaka was not that complete. It was also 4K drone, and it was really amazing. But this one is super amazing, like really amazing. They showed the best part, and like the city is kind of a green city, which is something I love the most, guys. I really love. I think I have to visit Bangladesh, guys. I have to visit Bangladesh. Yes, I'll visit Bangladesh very soon, guys. Only if my reaction channel will reach 10k. If my reaction channel will reach 10k, I'm visiting Bangladesh. Yeah, guys, I really learn a lot about how strong and the military army, the economic, like Bangladesh is really doing good, guys. Though, like most of the people, like currently, most of the foreigners or the tourists, they are not aware of Bangladesh. Like most of the people, they are planning to visit India and maybe other European countries. They are forgetting of Bangladesh, guys. This is really natural, amazing, and like eco-friendly country that you can really visit. I will really visit Bangladesh, guys. It's really amazing place, and I'm just happy that how they are maintaining the economic is so good. Even their military is kind of 40 rank, which is even better than the Pakistan rank, guys. I think Bangladesh in economic military is even better than Pakistan, and which really I see for their own advantage. Yeah, to be independent country, and they really made it. They are now as a country, and before they were one, or they were a part of Pakistan. And I think if they were that part, this country wouldn't have been seeing the beauty and this much development. I think they are now so happy, enjoying their full freedom, the culture. As Bengali people, love from Africa, guys. I want to learn Bengali every day. Please teach me something new. I always say this in the video. Teach me something, some Bengali word, guys. Love from Africa. Nitmanna alaikum kullu salama wa afia. Love you all.